Hey guys, what's happening? How to restore SMS from GoogleOne. To restore SMS from GoogleOne backup, you must perform a full factory reset of your phone and choose to restore from your Google backup during the setup process. So in order to do that, go back to your screen and go ahead to your browser. Search for submit request to restore files from Google. Just type this in the search bar, submit request to restore files from Google. On the search results, you're going to see recover a deleted file in Google Drive. Don't worry, it's not going to be only the Google Drive. It's going to be all the features, or excuse me, all the files in the Google ecosystem. So I'm going to go ahead to the search result, scroll a bit down, and then what you're going to do, you're going to just hit recover the file or request file recovery. You're gonna confirm, of course, by signing in with your credential. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna search for and find the file in the Google Drive, for example, right? Or, it's gonna they're gonna show you like two kind of suggestions to how to recover. Just hit no. Hit continue, right? So they say we can try recovering your files after reviewing your few limitations. They can only recover files deleted from your drive trash and all that stuff. Okay, they can only recover files that were deleted directly from the drive trash. They can only recover files you own. If you need files someone else owns, ask them to attempt file recovery from their account. Okay, and the recovered files will be returned to their original file location. So by confirming that you're not a robot, you're gonna be able to recover, do a full reset of your Google Drive and all other Google ecosystem to recover all of your files in the same location. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.